Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how we can simply enable aim assist in Call of Duty in Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on options, and when you're here in options, now go to controller, scroll down below to weapons, and you have options between like having in standard, traditional aim slowdown near target, precision, strong aim slowdown that only kicks when aiming closer to target, or focusing, strong aim slowdown that also kicks when narrowly missing target. So you can choose like which one you actually like. It's just up to you. But I would like recommend going with the precision one. But what I recommend is like start the game, test it by yourself, which one you actually like, and then just go along with it. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, goodbye.